If you have followed my channel thus far, you know that I'm trying to reach 200 pounds of potatoes this year for my storage to get me through to next year. So far, we're over 60. Can we do it? You're gonna have to stick around and find out. So today, I have about a little over 2 rows. I got 1 full row, 3/4 of a row, and half a row. And then some Kennebec Gold potatoes. I'm gonna start harvesting some of these, and then I'll just speed through the other portions to get the video finished, because I don't want the video to run on too long. You don't need to see me harvesting potatoes for 30 minutes. So let me get a few harvested, see how we're doing, and then we will speed it up. If you remember, last week I came in and trimmed all of these down to about 6 inches long. I do that because some say that the potatoes, the skins firm up. Not much going on in this hill. Some little ones. I got 4 little ones. What I do want people to understand is this area that I'm in right now, from here, all of this was newly tilled this year. So I'm not always expecting much from this because it's a high clay to soil ratio here in this area. So okay, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, much better. Much, much better. Look at that. Nice. Nice one. 2 nice ones. I want to get this cleaned up. 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 out of that one so far, because this is going to get tilled next week. And then my pumpkins are going to be planted right here. Let me do one more plant, and then we're going to speed this process up. Oh yeah. I got 1, I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, I got 5, I got 6. Oh boy. There's 7. There's 8. Okay. There was 8 in that one. So let me speed this up now. Quick announcement, everybody. We have a new record for quantity. I got 1, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 potatoes grown from 1 potato. Moving on. Okay, everybody, you can tell it's very hot. It's about 95. We're going to check out now the little patch that are the Kennebec Golds. Russets are picked in this area. So let's see how the Kennebec Golds do, because I like how the Pontiac Reds did. I'm going to grow more of those next year. So now I want to check out if the Kennebecs did well. I might try to put more of those in my harvest next year. So let's see. Here we go. Slingshot engage. Okay, good sign so far. Look at that. Doing well. All right, now that I've loosened the soil a bit, let's see. Oh, Mike, do you see that? 4 potatoes rolled out. That was pretty awesome. I was not expecting that. Okay, everybody, all that is left is I'm going to gather these up. I'm going to scale them. And at the end, I'll put the quantity, the weight, and then we'll see how close we're getting to the 200 pounds.